Technology in motion. Witness the power of modern engineering in action as machines conquer challenges. From cutting-edge precision to raw strength, this is innovation at its peak. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Let's dive right in. Wow, just wow. That's the first word that comes to mind when I see the Knisreiner Brennholzsäge in action. The efficiency and the precision of that sawing system is just incredible. I've never seen anything quite like it. If you're serious about firewood processing, you owe it to yourself to check this machine out. Removing a 600-year-old tree is no ordinary task, right? It takes true expertise. But in Japan, there is a deep connection with nature. It is part of their culture. They see trees as living beings, worthy of respect. So when they handle a project like this, it is a blend of skill and reverence. It is truly remarkable. I definitely would not hire this guy to cut down a tree. Years may pass, but his skills are still sharp as ever. He's living proof that experience is king. And you know what? I'm totally here for it. Well, danger always lurks in the trees, and we must always follow safety rules if we don't want to risk injury. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video amazed you. Your support fuels our creativity. Wow, check this out. Did you see that? This machine just sliced through that wood like butter. The precision and speed are truly impressive, showcasing advanced engineering and design. It's said that the most meaningful conversations happen in the woods. Well, this logger is having a deep one. With this spruce, it's a conversation of strength and respect, and the saw is the translator. Man, I can't decide if I should call this guy a lumberjack or a demolition expert. Either way, he's impressive. You may swing the axe, but the tree will decide how it falls. Drop a 1 in the comments if this video blew your mind. Your support keeps our creative fire burning. This tree had heavy dead branches. They were caught in other trees. We had to move quickly. Once the tree starts to shift, every falling branch could be dangerous. Hard hats are essential. Now, this is a real challenge. We are dealing with a magnificent maple. Its massive roots show its age. Cutting a root ball this size takes more than strength. It requires precision, experience, and deep respect for the tree. Now, watch. Return this majestic maple to the earth. This will definitely impress you and scare you a little bit. With too much chainsaw and not enough sense of self-preservation. Oh no, the saw jammed. That's a serious issue. Pros know to back off immediately, safety first. Better safe than sorry. Always take precautions. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire. Need to remove a big tree? For a new irrigation system, this excavator attachment is the perfect choice. It handles the task quickly and efficiently, with minimal disruption to the surrounding land, saving both time and resources. The Auto Split 630 utilizes a 20 horsepower Honda GX630 engine to power its innovative box wedge splitting mechanism. This system efficiently processes, such as this dense sycamore log. You've got a 40-foot tree next to power lines. Yeah, that's not a job for amateurs. And these guys are definitely not pros. They should have called the professionals from the get-go. If that KX057 excavator seems overwhelmed by that stump, just add the frost ripper attachment and watch it turn the tables. This tool quickly tackles rotes, pulling that stump out with ease. Simple but incredibly effective. A powerful tool for tough jobs. Impressive, to say the least. Witnessing true expertise is a privilege. This lumberjack's precision is remarkable, working on an incline and makes accurate cuts more difficult. Yet he navigates these obstacles flawlessly. His mastery is evident in every movement. Imagine this. You're hauling tons of timber down a road that looks like a crumpled napkin. Not exactly a Sunday drive, right? Every turn is a gamble, every mile a test. But that's what makes it a wild ride. I gotta give this guy credit. This homemade chipper is pretty slick. It gets the job done, and it probably didn't cost much to build. But dude, it's scary as heck. I wouldn't go anywhere near that thing, am I right? Mud everywhere, but these workers never give up. These machines are built to conquer anything. And finally, they are stuck. Picture this: rugged mountains, dense forests, and the HSM 405H handling it all. This machine is a powerhouse, built to withstand any challenge, rain or shine, steep slopes or muddy trails. It keeps going. It is like the ultimate off-road vehicle, but instead of carrying adventurers, it hauls timber with precision. And the best part, it's so easy to use. Anyone can jump in and feel like a pro. What's the biggest challenge in land clearing? Huge tree stumps. This excavator tackles them head-on. With its unique screw shaft, the result, firewood, not waste. Plus, you save time and money on every job. This is the Easton made for 8C. Forget those wimpy splitters. This beast has a blade that could cut through steel. Okay, maybe not steel, but you get the idea. Logs go in, firewood comes out, bam. It's that simple. Don't be the last one on the block with this bad boy. Ever face those stubborn stumps that just won't budge? Well, with the Forest Mower Force 225, equipped with tungsten carbide blades on the hammer. Isn't this incredible? Look how they work together. These horses are so well trained, and their handler is clearly a pro. This is a real testament to the bond they share. This guy is tackling the stump removal with serious force using snatch blocks and pulleys. He set up a 30-to-1 mechanical advantage. That means for every pound of pull, he gets 30 pounds of force on that stubborn stump. Let's see if it can withstand this kind of power. The Woodcracker G-Series is more than just a clearing rake. It's a comprehensive solution for forest. It facilitates reforestation, improves soil quality, and reduces fire hazards. The Decoder SGM1100 Debarker. This configuration allows for efficient debarking of beechwood logs. The machine's advanced features, including a 5 to 6 blade cutter system and automatic lubrication. In Torx Automatic, wood lathes are changing the game in wood turning. What sets them apart? Precision and efficiency. For starters, their CNC line, featuring models like the CKI 15-1500s and CKX 613-16, comes with cutting-edge technology, pneumatic loading systems, independent cutting gouges, you name it, the result. High-quality output whether you're or running a small batch production. Who's ready to see some wood fly? This R150 chipper might look small, but don't let that fool you. Check out how smoothly it chews through those logs. Amazing, right? Wow, take a look at that. How impressive is that maple takedown? That takes some serious skill with a feller buncher. Now, I'm curious how many of you have ever seen one of these machines in action. It's truly a testament to both. You know, when you think about tree removal. But this is next level. It's like watching a surgeon operate, but with heavy machinery. Who else is blown away? Hardwood harvesting presents unique challenges: size, density, terrain. The Timber Pro 830D with the SP761 directly addresses these issues. The 830D provides the necessary stability and power, while the SP761 efficiently processes large diameter trees, improving operational efficiency and minimizing downtime. Have you ever seen a machine so effectively handle such large timber? Let's talk heavy-duty grinding. The Bandit model for 680. Their flagship beast boasts some serious specs. We're talking a 60-inch diameter cutter mill. That's 5 feet packed with 48 teeth. This massive mill paired with a 45 by 60-inch opening devours even the biggest stumps and logs. Powering this beast are Caterpillar engines, either a 1050 horsepower C27. The Genshem 583. I've seen a lot of chippers, but this one is something else. 270 cubic meters per hour. That's incredible throughput. And it's not just about speed, it's about how efficiently it handles material. The 820 millimeter drum, coupled with that wide 1.2 meter intake, means you can throw some serious sized logs, up to 22 inches at this thing, and it just eats them. The hydraulic fan is constantly working to optimize chip discharge, keeping things flowing smoothly. This machine shows the true power of modern engineering. You know, watching these truckers navigate those behemoths on a treacherous mountain road got me thinking, what's it like to be behind the wheel of something that big? The responsibility, the skill, the sheer focus required. It's a whole world we don't often see. This video offers a fascinating glimpse into that world, making you wonder about the stories each of these drivers could tell. Ever wonder what it's really like out there in the West Coast forest? It's not just Paul Bunyan anymore. Companies like HDL and Newcastle Timber are doing some fascinating work. If you want a peek behind the curtain, check out their crew in action. It's a real-life look at how timber harvesting works today, blending tradition with some seriously cool modern tech. It's a story worth seeing. See how easily it pulled that thing. The Deutsch FR Agritron TTV 630, packing a 203 horsepower, just handled a major stump removal like it was nothing. That's power and precision working together. This guy's a genius. He created his own electric log splitter, and it functions perfectly. Splitting wood with this tool seems effortless, turning a challenging task into an enjoyable one. Hello everyone. Take a look at this. We've encountered a logging truck in a tough spot. It's stuck deep in the mud. Now think about this for a moment. How would you get this truck out? What tools would you employ? What methods would you attempt? Let's see what they come up with. We all love shiny new things, right? And the HTZ12 Plus is definitely one. With a 45/55 kilowatt main motor and a 160 to 180 millimeter wide blade, it is the kind of tool that makes you feel unstoppable. The John Deere 959K Feller Buncher, when equipped with the Quadco 2 8C hot saw head, efficiency, The 959KII's high tractive effort and maneuverability, combined with the 28C's rapid cutting cycle, result in optimized timber harvesting, particularly in stands with large diameter trees. This translates to increased productivity and reduced operational costs. It's remarkable to witness the dedication of these alpine farmers. They maintain a traditional approach, utilizing equipment that harkens back to a bygone era. Their self-sufficiency is truly admirable, with no reliance on outsourced labor. It's a testament to their strong work ethic and deep connection to the land. Alright, check this out. This guy's a genius. He took a hydraulic press, some old metal junk, and boom, instant firewood splitter. Sure, it might not win any beauty contest, but this thing gets the job done. You gotta see the results. It's mind-blowing. This LKT81ITL looks so compact and eye-catching. Like a toy, but it's clear. You can't judge anything by its appearance, especially the skidder. Witness its power, and you'll see a true beast of a machine. Wow, that was so dangerous. I hope his hand is okay. Observe the specialized grapple attachment on that excavator. It's designed for maximum gripping force, allowing the operator to extract even the most stubborn root systems with minimal soil disturbance. This precision minimizes environmental impact while maximizing efficiency. What separates a good trucker from a great one? It's that quiet confidence, that sense of knowing what they're doing. They've learned to read the road, anticipate problems, and find solutions. They're the backbone of the industry, and they deserve our respect. Timber hauling is a demanding profession, requiring specialized skills and knowledge. These truckers navigate challenging terrain. Their expertise is crucial to the forestry industry. Holds bow bins. In 2022, with the installation of a state-of-the-art Merringer saw frame, this advanced system boasts fully Furthermore, they've integrated cutting-edge Merringer machines for clamping, auxiliary carriages, riving knives, and pre-cutting. Witnessing this saw frame in action, that maneuver was executed flawlessly. The driver demonstrated a precise, and the spatial constraints highly impressive. Ever struggled with splitting thick logs? The Westeck Woodcracker is your solution. This tough tool, made from super strong hardox steel, makes it a breeze. It comes in different sizes to fit your machines, and you can even use it to feed your chipper. It looks gentle, but if you choose the wrong position, it will be a tough collision. It was a truly impressive feat of skill. This tree, hanging precariously, was a real challenge. But this guy just took control. He moved with such confidence and precision. It was almost mesmerizing to see someone handle such a complex and potentially dangerous situation with such apparent ease was simply remarkable. That Cat D8T is a beast. I mean, look at that tree stump. It just got yanked out of the ground like a weed. That's some serious horsepower. But hey, even with all that muscle, you gotta be smart about how to use it. In the sawmill industry, maximizing yield and minimizing waste are paramount. The Woodmeister TVS and Mr. 200 offer solutions to these key challenges. The TVS addresses the need for accurate, primary breakdown, ensuring optimal use of every log. This reduces waste and provides consistent cans for downstream processing. The MR200 tackles the bottleneck of secondary breakdown by efficiently ripping cans into multiple boards, streamlining the production process, and significantly reducing labor costs. If you're facing challenges with throughput, flexibility is key to getting things done, and this Den Harco Deliver is all about that. It's a beast of a machine built for tough logging jobs. Sure, it's designed for delimbing, but you can see why. Using it to load those long logs onto the truck is a smart move. Talk about a multitasker. Imagine this, a giant logging machine knee-deep in mud, like a metal beast stuck in a tar pit. Now the real adventure begins. How do you get something that massive moving again? It's a puzzle, a challenge of engineering and sheer grit. Do you use another machine, winches? It's a real test of ingenuity and know-how. Each rescue is a unique story. From an engineering standpoint, this machine embodies efficiency through simplicity. Its design, though seemingly basic, optimizes power transfer to the cutting blade, allowing for rapid processing of substantial quantities of firewood. It's a prime example of form-following function, where practicality trumps unnecessary complexity. Picture a giant mechanical hand gently, but swiftly removing branches from a tree. That's basically the function of a cat's limber. It's truly an amazing spectacle. These machines possess immense power, made to manage massive logs in dense woods. It's like observing nature's pruning process, but at a much grander and quicker pace. I've been inside a sawmill, and trust me, it's quite an experience. The aroma of freshly cut wood, the loud hum of the machinery, the constant activity is an overwhelming sensation. You witness these logs entering rough and bark-covered, and then through this fascinating transformation, they emerge as neatly milled timber. It's like seeing a complete metamorphosis, a kind of industrial wizardry. Low output and high running costs The PTH1000/1000M will fix all your issues with a capacity of 220 cubic meters per hour. Fuel-efficient Scania engine, durable and simple to replace components. This is the perfect solution for large-scale wood chipping tasks. Wow, look at this. This logger has a tough job ahead. Mud everywhere. But watch how he handles that log set 6F like it's nothing. It's crazy. These machines can turn a tough task into something nearly effortless. It's amazing to see how human creativity meets raw power, turning a challenge into something graceful. This is engineering at its finest. Here's the Prime Tech PT600, the ultimate mulching powerhouse. This track beast dominates mulching tasks with its 600 horsepower engine and cutting-edge hydraulics. Forget about California almonds. This machine will tear through anything in its path. Efficient cooling means it can work without brakes. The PT600 gets the toughest jobs done. Meet the RDM52EX, manufactured by Advanced Forest Equipment. This beast can cut through trees up to 14 inches thick with its massive 52-inch cutting disc made from ultra-durable steel. With a powerful hydraulic motor, it costs between $50,000 to $60,000. But think about the time and labor it can save on clearing your land. It could make all the difference for large-scale projects, a valuable investment. I've seen my share of chippers, but this Bandit 2550T is in a league of its own. With its 49 horsepower engine, it's built to handle whatever you throw at it. Sure, $34,950 isn't cheap, but for pros who demand the best, it's a long-term investment worth making. CNC rooters are real game changers, no question about it. They bring precision and complexity to woodworking that would be impossible to achieve by hand. For door manufacturing, they are excellent for detailed designs, perfect joints and high-volume production. Integrating these with traditional techniques, that's where the true magic lies, where craftsmanship and technology combine for one-of-a-kind results. Thank you for watching. We truly appreciate you taking the time to watch our video all the way to the end. Your support means a lot to us. If you enjoyed this content and want to see more, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. By subscribing to Heavy Tech Zone, you'll never miss out on our latest episodes and exciting updates. Stay tuned for more amazing content, and thank you for being a part of our journey.